This is a thing that I've done this year that I think I will do again next year. This is my plant hospital. This is where I put the plants that are recovering or in need of care, extra care. Those are the two Boston ferns that did not do well in the other two big plants. So I put them here, and the one on the right is looking pretty good, recovering again. The one on the left still halfway recovered. I don't know if that one will fully recover or not. And then I've got bridal veil plant that got dried out, and this what is this one called? I can't remember. That one got burned on its leaves, so we had to, and you can see there's still kind of burn mark right there, so we had to start over on that. And this elephant ear was not doing well at all inside. It was doing this like for every single time it put out a leaf, it was doing that. But now it's got 5 leaves, which is amazing. So I think being out here has really helped it. I want to get a little sign to put on the back that says Plant Hospital. So maybe I will do that or make something.